So hey guys, so many days later I have come again. So in my last video comment section I pinned a comment that I will buy a offer battle boost if I get 11 likes in 1 hour. So the 11 like has been complete in I think 40 or 30 minutes. So let's do it. Buying. I will do upgrade my king to level 5. Means this is my town hall 7 ID. I have so many IDs. So one tap to buy. So I will do means upgrade my minion hog and barbarian king. So I don't need to save so much dark elixir to upgrade this because I have buy the offer. So enjoy the video that will come next. So hey guys, welcome to the channel. And the video you saw, that was I think 7 days ago or 3-4 days ago. So in this video I'm gonna attack with a strategy. I don't know the name, but I saved go hog just it was the golem hog. So uh this is my favorite, one of the favorite strategies. So with this strategy I like to push my trophies into master league because I need the 1000 gems to buy the fifth builder. So it will take a time, so I come when the training is finished. So just I remember that I have to record also, and let's attack. I forgot that. So to golem, wizard, some wizard, and wall breakers. Hope this attack be a 3 star, so I will get the 16 trophies. No, let's save the wizard and let's drop the jump spell. Then CC Barbarian King. I will thinking. Let's drop the rage. This is my favorite attack. I learned means I attack this a lot. I was in I think 2000 trophies, but with this attack I have go I think 2020, 2200 20, 30 or 40 I think. Let's deploy the hog here. So you have to take a max level Valkyries 3 and giant hog, balloon, whatever you want. Valkyries can means max Valkyries can clear the X-bows, heroes, and so if heavy defense and heroes are destroyed, you need to just deploy the hogs to clear the uh, some defenses that are left, and you need goblin archers and wizard. You have to save 2 or 3 wizards for the cleanup in the last. And I take a freeze spell to means if X-bow is not destroyed, or boom tower to save my hogs if my heal spell is finished. So I think this is 3 star, or it can be a time fail. No, it's 3 star because I have more than 30 seconds. 35. Oh, giant bomb. And hogs are clever. This attack has been a 3 star, so I will just pop to means our next attack. And here is our second attack. I didn't attack still. Should I attack on this? No. Oh, this base now. Not. Not this base. Town hall 10 lol. Not this base. No bases are I can find. Okay, let's meet you at when I find the base. After 2 or 3 minutes, I got this base, and this is not 2 max, and here is 1000 dark elixir. I don't need loot, it can be average, but I need trophies more than a 16. So I don't have a queen because I have given to upgrade her. So well, clickers. So let's deploy our king and then CC. But let's see. Where should I deploy the jump speed? There will be our reach. Oh, no need jump. Let's save it for. Valkyrie fast. 3 Valkyries are alive. This is 3 star. Pretty sure. These hogs are also too much OP. So let's see what happened. I'm so much confused that. Also, let's drop the hogs. Oh, I was saying that I'm too much confused that we will take 3 star or not, because we don't have so much wizards. I don't have wizards, and I have so many hogs that is an advantage. So here is our speed. Here is Jokla the hill. Wizard. So it I'm so guys, if you like this video, I just want to tell this strategy. I know some or many players know this strategy, but who are new can try this. And if you like this video, you can give a like, subscribe my channel, you can share this video, and do comment what you want in the next video. So someone asked me in the last video's comment section that how do you buy the gold pass, and if you want to know, I will make a video. Just do comment, and if you have credit or debit card, you can easily buy it. Just fill up your money, you can buy it. So now I will upgrade my walls with the rune of golds. Let's fill it first. So I have to just max my walls and means heroes, archer king and barbarian king heroes, and minion, because my hog is max, means I will upgrade it for max minion, and I think some dark elixir spell. So I've upgraded the walls. So if you like the video, I'm saying again, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.